Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Candy Crush Soda Saga with Facebook. To log in Candy Crush Soda Saga with Facebook is easy. Open your Candy Crush Soda Saga app from the app drawer. Once you end up in this option, you can tap on Played Before and then from the display, tap on Continue with Facebook. You'll now need to tap on the Continue button and allow Candy Crush Soda to track your activity across other apps and website by tapping Allow. Now, it'll open up this pop-up where you'll need to tap on Continue to open up facebook.com. Also make sure to log into your Facebook account using the Facebook account's credentials, and then after you are done with it, tap on the Open button. Now, tap on the Continue button on the next page and tap on Open once again. After doing so, you'll be able to log in to Candy Crush Saga with Facebook. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.